when painting a sailboat and a dragon fruit in gouache. It's essential to understand how to depict different textures. The sailboat has rigid structures, emphasizing clean lines and shadows, while the dragon fruit has a rich, organic texture with vibrant colors. Below are some key techniques: composition and sketching the outline. Start by planning the composition to create a balanced layout. Position the sailboat slightly tilted to add a sense of movement and place the dragon fruit in the foreground for depth. Lightly sketch the outline using a pencil, defining the boat's hull. Mast and sails. As well as the basic shape and leaf arrangements of the dragon fruit. Techniques for painting the sailboat. Color selection. The sailboat is typically painted with white, blue, or brown tones. Begin with a light base layer. Then gradually add shadows to enhance its three-dimensional effect. Shading and lighting. Use smooth brushstrokes to depict the movement of the sails. Maintain clean highlights and use cool tones like gray, blue, or purple for shadows. Water reflections. Create reflections on the water using a wet and wet technique to achieve a soft, blended effect. Add small highlights with white paint to represent glistening waves. Techniques for painting the dragon fruit. Color application. The skin of a dragon fruit features vibrant red and magenta tones, while the leafy tips contain green and yellow gradients. Start with a wet wash for the base colors. Then use detailed brushwork to add texture. Texture representation. The outer skin has naturally curved. Scale-like protrusions. Define their edges with darker tones and use bright highlights to enhance the three-dimensional effect. If painting the inner flesh, apply soft white and pink hues to create a delicate texture. Light and shadow handling. Highlights should be applied with pure white, while shadows can be a mix of purple or blue to maintain a sense of depth. Final adjustments for a balanced composition. Adjust the overall color scheme to create a harmonious contrast between the sailboat and the dragon fruit. A cool color palette for the sailboat and a warm one for the fruit will create a visually appealing contrast. The background can be softly blended with light blue or pale yellow to enhance the atmosphere without overpowering the main subjects.